So, this is a very welcome surprise to be woken up with the arrival of mail. And no, don't worry, this is not another loot crate, because if it was, well, it wouldn't have come with this box. Fortunately, the box is a little bit banged up. Let's just hope the product inside is still okay. But let's open this up and see what's inside. Oh yeah, right. I forgot. Hold on. Actually, you know what? No need. But looks like the box did our work for us, mostly. Okay, someone took this packing job a little seriously. Look at this. Someone just wrapped it with some papers. Yeah. Really good tape. I gotta give it to them. I don't know why they decided to wrap it with this. Anything else would have been fine, but hey, it's their product. So yeah. Hold on. And here it is. It's a brand new screwdriver. It's a Sonic screwdriver from my new Sonic screwdriver collection that I mentioned I'm going to do. And this is no ordinary screwdriver. This is the new Sonic screwdriver as being used by Jodie Whittaker, the 13th Doctor. You know, the screwdriver that she built on her own in that warehouse with the spoons and the Stenza technology. Let's open this up and see if there's anything special about it. Well, of course it's special. It's a screwdriver. What else? Hold on. I really don't want to damage the box because I'm keeping the boxes of everything I buy. And, wow, I have no idea how to open this thing. Now, who thought of that? Hold on. Very carefully. I feel like a surgeon now. We shall start by making a small incision here. So cut off this. Let's smooth some more tape. There we go. Okay, I really hope this makes sounds like it said on the thing where I ordered it from. Gotta be very careful. There we go. And as you can see, it's got one of these pull this to activate, so I'm guessing it lights up and makes sounds. Never understood how these work, but then again, I'm not an electrician. I've mentioned this many times before. Whoa! It lights up on its own, I guess. Ooh. Okay, that's definitely weird. Hold on. Let me just check something. Okay, there's got two buttons, one over here, one over there, so I guess each of those buttons do something else. Let's see. Okay, this one does nothing. Yeah! You see that? I finally have a sonic screwdriver that makes noises! Because this one, well, lost its voice box like years ago, but this thing on the other hand, hold on, I need to get used to this. Whoa. Now I don't have to add the sonic effect on my videos anymore. Kind of weird how it just lights up on its own with no apparent explanation, but I guess I just need some time to figure this thing out. Hold on. As the doctor usually does. She's looking at whatever it is she's looking at, and it just lets her know stuff. So, thank you for watching. Until next time. Hello again, everybody. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel where I do all kinds of weird stuff like showcase all these things, you know, trailer reactions, movie reviews, all kinds of fun stuff. So, until next time, I'll see you guys next time.